Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to start investing or want to switch to a better trading platform, today's video is for you. We're breaking down the best stock investing brokerage apps in Australia for 2025 CIG, comparing fees, features, and who they're best for. So, stick around till the end because I'll also share my personal recommendation based on your investing style. Let's dive in. Section 1. Key factors to look for. Before we jump into the apps, here's what actually matters when choosing a broker. 1. Low fees. You don't want your profits eaten up by trading commissions. 2. Ease of use, especially if you're new to investing. 3. Access to global markets, whether you're buying Aussie shares or US stocks. 4. Research tools and data to make informed decisions. 5. And security. Your money and data need to be protected. Section 2. Top brokerage apps. Number 1. CMC. Starting with a classic, CMC. It's one of the most trusted and established brokers in Australia, backed by Commonwealth Bank. Pros. Excellent for ASX-listed shares. Deep research tools. Great customer support. Cons. Higher brokerage fees, around $19.95 per trade. Not ideal for small, frequent trades. Best for long-term investors who value reliability and detailed research. Number 2. Self-Wealth. Next up is Self-Wealth, known for its flat fee pricing model, $90.50 per trade, no matter how big your order is. Pros. Transparent flat fees. Access to US markets. Great portfolio tracking. Cons. Interface can feel a bit dated. Limited advanced tools. Best for investors who want cost certainty and simple investing. Number 3. Stake. Stake has become super popular with younger investors, especially those interested in US stocks. Pros. Commission-free US trades. Easy-to-use app. Fractional shares available. Cons. Limited ASX access added recently. Foreign exchange, FX fees apply when funding accounts. Best for global investors or beginners who love a smooth modern interface. Number 4. Pearler. Pearler is designed for long-term, set-and-forget investing. Perfect if you're into ETFs or FIRE, financial independence retire early. Pros. Automated investing plans. Low fees, $6.50 per trade. Great for long-term ETF investors. Cons. Not ideal for active traders. Limited charting tools. Best for beginners and long-term investors building steady wealth. Number 5. Etoro. Lastly, Etoro, a global platform famous for copy trading, where you can mimic professional investors. Pros. Huge range of global stocks and crypto. Social investing features. Commission-free trades. Cons. FX conversion fees. Platform isn't chess-sponsored. Best for traders who want global exposure and social features. Section 3. Comparison summary. So quick recap. App fees best for key feature. 1. CMC, $10.1995. Traditional investors, trusted big bank platform. 2. Self-Wealth, $9.50 flat. Cost-conscious investors, flat fee pricing. 3. Stake, free, US stock traders, fractional shares. 4. Pearler, $6.50, long-term ETF investors, auto investing. 5. Etoro, free, global traders, copy, trading. Section 4. My recommendation. If you're just getting started and want something simple, I'd go with Stake or Pearler. If you want depth, research and reliability, CMC is still unbeatable. And for those chasing the best of both worlds, Self-Wealth offers that nice middle ground. So there you have it, the best stock investing apps in Australia for 2025. Which app are you currently using, or which one are you planning to try? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more Aussie investing tips every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.